So this is the last video for 7.3, writing the equation of a hyperbola. We are going to find the equation of the hyperbola with transverse axis endpoints at over 0, up or down 5. Let's put those on first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what does that tell me? If I know something about the transverse axis, then I know the opening on this thing is going to be up and down. Because that's, if the transverse axis is on the y-axis or in the y direction, then I'm going to have an opening up and down. All right, so there are the boundaries for my, they're the upper and lower boundaries for my fundamental rectangle. Now, I don't know how wide to make this because I don't know what B is. So I'm going to ask myself, what is B? The way I'm going to get B is I'm going to plug in into this formula. Here's C, so square root of 106 squared is equal to, well, this right here is my A, so 25 plus B squared. Okay, so this is 106 is equal to 25 plus B squared, and we get that B squared is equal to 81. So we get B is equal to 9. So now we can finish up with those marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the right-hand side of my rectangle. There's the left-hand side. Let's get the fundamental rectangle. Now, you notice that this is so different than the ellipse because with the ellipse, the foci would be sitting on the long direction, but this has nothing to do with which way it's oriented in terms of long and short orientation of the rectangle. So let's see what we're going to do now. We're going to go ahead and put the isotopes on. Oops. So this is going to be a very fat. It's really they aren't parabolas, but they're parabolic-like. Okay, so let's see. And I need some more guides right here. This is really long. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on here. This is my transverse axis. I know that that's the opening because the transverse axis is always along the opening. So this is really, really wide. And you can imagine because it's so wide that we already know C, we already know where the foci are, right? So let's take a look at the foci. Square root of 106, well, that's out from the center, so let's see what that is. The square root of 106 is approximately 10.3. So this is C, so I'm going to go out 10.3. Now, A and C are on the same axis, so here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.3, and there's my focus there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.3, and there's my other focus. All right, hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.